Welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we discussed the top reasons why projects fail, and a critical factor we identified was poor risk management. Today, we're dedicating this video to mastering that essential skill. Project risk management isn't about predicting the future perfectly, but about being prepared for potential uncertainties that could impact your project's success. It's a proactive process that can significantly increase your chances of delivering on time, within budget, and to the required quality. So let's dive into the critical steps involved in mastering project risk management. The first step is risk identification. This is the process of determining which risks might affect the project and documenting their characteristics. Risks can be threats, negative impacts, or opportunities, positive impacts. How do you identify risks? You can use techniques like brainstorming sessions with your team and stakeholders, reviewing lessons learned from past projects, conducting SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, using checklists or interviewing subject matter experts. The goal is to be as comprehensive as possible in uncovering potential uncertainties. Once risks are identified, the next step is risk analysis. This involves assessing the likelihood of each risk occurring and the potential impact it could have on your project objectives, like schedule, cost, scope, or quality. Analysis can be qualitative, where you rank risks based on a subjective scale, e.g. high, medium, low likelihood, and impact, or quantitative, which involves numerical analysis of the probability and monetary impact. Understanding both the chance of something happening and how bad or good it would be is crucial for prioritization. With risks identified and analyzed, you move to risk response planning, often called mitigation. This is where you develop options and actions to enhance opportunities and reduce threats to project objectives. For threats, common strategies include avoidance, eliminating the threat entirely, perhaps by changing the project plan. Transference, shifting the impact of a threat to a third party, like through insurance or outsourcing. Mitigation, reducing the probability or impact of a threat, such as conducting extra testing or using a more reliable vendor. Acceptance, acknowledging the risk but taking no action unless the risk occurs. This can be passive or active, having a contingency plan. For opportunities, strategies include exploitation, ensuring the opportunity is realized. Enhancement, increasing the probability or impact of the opportunity. Sharing, allocating ownership of the opportunity to a third party who can capture the benefit. Acceptance, being willing to take advantage of the opportunity if it arises, but not actively pursuing it. Finally, risk monitoring and control. Risk management isn't a one-time activity at the start of a project. It's an ongoing process. You need to monitor identified risks, identify new risks, ensure response plans are being implemented effectively, and evaluate their effectiveness. This involves regularly reviewing your risk register, tracking trigger conditions, and communicating risk status to stakeholders. The project environment can change, introducing new risks or altering the status of existing ones. Mastering these steps, identification, analysis, response planning, and monitoring, is absolutely essential for any project manager. By proactively addressing potential threats and leveraging opportunities, you significantly increase your ability to navigate uncertainty and ensure project success. What are your biggest challenges in project risk management? Share them in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable project management insights. Thanks for watching.